Hello everyone, welcome to Learn React 2023. In this video, I will be talking about React Router DOM. This video is meant for people with prior knowledge of JavaScript. So without any further ado, let's get started. To understand what React Router DOM is, like in simple terms, it is like a map for your web page, also web application. Imagine your web application is a big house with different rooms. You can also call them as pages in the web application. React Router DOM helps you create a system to navigate between these rooms or pages easily. I'm going to show you how it looks like by giving you an example. This is my simple React app. I'm first going to create the rooms in a house, also known as pages in the web application. Could be like pages in the web application. So I'll create a new folder, name it as pages. Now I'm going to have two files, home.js and about.js. Home page and about.js, about page. I will now have to install React Router DOM onto the package.json. What I do npm install React Router DOM. Now that the React Router DOM is installed, I can simply show it to you by coming on the page package.json right here. I'll rerun the application again. Now, under app.json, app.js, I'm going to import React and import React Router DOM. I will be importing browser router as router. Route. I will use routes. Link. I will now import the two pages. Import about. Okay. Now, the router here, to understand what it does, think of this as the main entrance to your house. It keeps track of where you are in your application. So this will be our router. I will have a div. Inside div, I'll have a navigation bar or just nav. I have UL and LI. Inside L, I will now use link. Links are like buttons or paths that you use to go from one room or page to another when you click on a link. React Router DOM takes you to the corresponding room or pages. I will call this home. I have to give 2. We're going to slash. Duplicate this part. I'll call this about. I'll give the paths here to as about slash about. After the nav, I'm going to have routes. So what does this routes do? This is like a traffic cop. It makes sure that only one room is shown at a time, or it makes sure that only one page is shown at a time. So when you go from one page to another, this routes helps with the transition. Let me explain what the route does here. These are like signs on the doors of each room or the page in your house. They tell React Router DOM which page to show when you click on a link or type a URL. Looks like I have an error right here. This is supposed to be .js. Okay, working. Thank you.